For the second brush, what? Blush, not brush, blush. Blush. Blush look number 1, or the style number 1, this is what I call, it's my name. Kamusta? It's me, Veganda, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my channel is all about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free. For today, I am doing a quick makeup tutorial on different ways on how to put on blush depending on your face shape, right? So if you want to see the tips and techniques on how to put on blush, just keep on watching. Okay, let's start. For the blush look number 1, or the style number 1, this is what I call snatched. Okay, so what you do is you look straight to the mirror, right? And then you look for the edge of your pupil right there. Okay, edge of your pupil, and then end of your nose right there. So that would be your starting point, right? And then you look for the tip of your ear right there. Right, so that would be your snatch blush line, right? So this is, well, would be like the middle of where you usually put your contour and your highlighter. Okay, so again, it would be your edge, it would be the edge of your pupil, and then end of your nose, tip of your ear. Okay, so this style works for full and round shaped face because it gives you that illusion where your face, or the shape of your face, is pulled upwards. So, well, hence the name snatched, because it gives you that illusion of like kind of look, right? So again, it pulls it upwards and it also slims down the face. Okay, so for this style, or for this blush look, I'm gonna be using the Zoeva 128 right there. Ooh, right, okay, blush brush. Okay, and also I'm gonna be using the BYS blusher. The shade is Perfectly Peachy. Okay, right there. So in camera, it looks a little bit brown, but in person, it's like a peach coral color to it. So for this look, I don't like using, you know, the bright colors. So I have this blush palette from J.Cat. So this is that. So I would suggest that you use more of like a corally peachy color, like a matte color, okay? Because if I use like a really bright pink, or, well, in person this is bright pink, but here it's like a peachy corally color. There's something wrong with my camera, but anyways, I don't like to use like the bright colors for this look. It's because we're trying to somehow contour or slim down the face, right? So I usually use like a more darker color, because if it's a bright color, it just accentuates it. It doesn't kind of trims it down, right? So it's like an in-between of doing a contour and a blush, right? So again, I'm gonna be using the shade right there. Okay, and let's do the snatch look. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, this is the snatched look. So this is my usual, my go-to blush look, because I like this like a cat eye, everything's kind of slanted and brought up, right? So yeah, you could try this. This looks, for me, it looks like a classic and elegant look, right? You can see this in high fashion magazines because, well, they want the look to be like really made up, high up. So yeah, it gives you that really kind of nice color to it. And again, trying to, you know, put everything up right there, and it tries to kind of slim down the face. Again, this is for the full or round shape face. Okay, so let's move on to the second look. For the second blush look, or style number 2, I call this the Big Apple. Well, because this look is really concentrated at the apples of your cheeks, right? So for this look, I'm gonna be using my EcoTools blush brush right there. Okay, and also still the BYS blusher, which is the Perfectly Peach shade. Okay, so this look is for a heart-shaped face, meaning you have a structured or really high cheekbones, and also a bit of triangular chin and a little bit of roundness on your cheeks. Okay, so this helps you accentuate your features, which is your structured or high cheekbones, to give you that glow on those areas, as well as, okay, so I'm gonna pull my bangs up. Okay, so if you don't have a fringe or bangs like me, you could also put, so after putting that blush right here, right, you could put a little bit of blush up here, just so you could balance it out, right? So you would have that kind of nice glow on those areas. Okay, so let me put this down again. So again, this area, or well, the area that is concentrated for this look is, again, here, the apples of your cheek, if you want to kind of smile and see where it is. But I don't like that kind of method, because what it does is, if you smile like that, right, so this would be your apples of your cheeks. But if you put it down, it kind of it drags it a little bit downwards, right? So it gives you like kind of a droopy look. So I just kind of, I know where it is, so it's right here, but you don't go lower lower beyond the end of your nose. So don't go on this area, because it makes you like kind of, it gives you that droopy kind of sad look. So yeah, so just right about here. Okay, so this is also a nice trick if you don't have, you know, high cheekbones. This could be an illusion as well, right? Because wherever you put your blush, that is somehow saying to people that, hey, this is my apple, this is the apple of my cheeks, or this is my kind of blush area. So if you have a low cheekbones, or like a flat, it might be a flat cheekbones, I don't know if that's a term, but yeah, if you want to give that illusion that you have a higher or a high cheekbones, kind of put that in this area right there. Okay, so let's go. So this is the final look, and yeah, I'm doing a voiceover because I forgot to hit record, and good thing I have this video backup. But yeah, I love this accentuated cheekbone look, perfect for heart-shaped face. For the third and final blush look, or style number 3, I call this the drunk blush, because yes, it will mimic the areas where you usually turn pinkish or reddish when you are drunk. So yeah, so this look is for slim or narrow or long shaped face, right? So what it does, it pulls your face, or it gives you that illusion that it's pulled outwards, not upwards, because earlier when we were doing the snatch look, it's more of the upwards direction, but this one is more of a outwards or horizontal direction, right? So it gives you that illusion that it broadens your face slightly. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be using, I think, a combination of these two, right? So again, I've used this earlier. This is the 128 Zoeva blush brush, right? And the other one is, it's 110 face shape brush from Zoeva as well. Okay, and maybe for this look, I'm gonna be using maybe right here. I don't know what shade exactly that is, but it's part of the J.Cat Blush Me Tricky palette. Okay, right there. Okay, so the placement of this again is where you usually turn pinkish or reddish when you are drunk. So that would be around here, right? A little bit higher than the apples of your cheek, so it's a little bit here, right? And should be horizontal. Some folks would usually again drag it out horizontally, but for this look, I think I'm just gonna be concentrating like up until here. Okay, and then what I do is I put a little bit of blush like across the bridge of my nose. I usually turn pinkish or reddish on those areas. Okay, so again, a little bit higher here, so right about here, right? You can see that. Okay, right, and then so that is that, and then right there. Okay, dokie. So let's start. Okay, I'm done. So, do I look a little bit drunk right now? Nope, nope, maybe. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, would this help? So, yeah, why I have soju handy on my makeup table? That is the million-dollar question. But yeah, I love this look. It's more of like a fun, youthful, cute look. Right? So it gives you that sun-kissed illusion that you just came from, you know, Maldives or Boracay or Palawan. But yeah, again, this is recommended for slim or narrow, long shape face because it broadens your face or your face shape horizontally. But yeah, it gives you that cute look as well. So, yeah. Lastly, if you want to see more videos about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free, and to really know that there is a better way when it comes to beauty without harming animals, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you would be notified of my future videos. Alright? So before I go, as a vegan and an animal rescuer, I just wanted to remind everyone that beauty should always be inside and out. Till next time, bye!